any negative guys in your mail. That is the most important. Example, if I say I can't do it, don't say it. No. In fact, you can't say as it might be difficult to complete within the given time, and you should say as I can't do it. So direct is much, right? And so that they would know it that okay, the person is proper and he knows that he have come to the conclusion that he don't know it. Now if I say as I am afraid there might be a slight delay. No, don't say this guy. Speak as direct as there will be a delay. Okay. Now again third, if I say as would it be possible to have this in half an hour? Question mark. No, this is an indirect, guys. This is an indirect for language type. Say it as I need this in half an hour. It's a direct word. Okay. So this word, the something tones, you should. I have already told you that you should have applied to a sharp language, right? A formal, good, to have a good approach. Now it's just which I gave you a good opening points, good conclude points, gave you that you should use a bullet if more necessary required. Don't use full stop in your subject line. Okay, bullets mostly provide an effective it is when you do in your subject because I too do it in a bullet only. Attachment don't put it much if required then only. Okay. BCC, what is with mass mailers to certain department organization? It's in the, of course, this I have spoke it in language of professional. It's something about same like system I already explained, right? Type text, whatever you type the text in this body, it should be 3 to 5 lines. Don't provide much and much because the mail should be in a professional, the mail should be for a one particular topic only, right? So provide in a 3 or 5 lines, much better. So about the one top particular email, about the one particular topic, much good. Now if talking about the just saying about what actually this means. Okay. So if I say about these two CCC, BCC, what these actually are? This is a address field. This T2 BCC and BCC which was coming. Yeah. So these three are called as address field. Subject is subject. Yeah. And yeah, now what you can use as salutation. Forgot to tell you, hi you can use, hello you can use good one. Don't type your in the way you chat in your WhatsApp and see as Mr. Dear Mr. Dot or as of course Miss you might know. If doctor, then I mean dear, direct, you can use this also. Okay. So this is hi, hello, salutation. So this part is called as a salutation. Okay. Now you can start your mail with a good opening point if you want. If you really want, then only. It's a good approach actually. And here you should type the body. I already told you, right? Body text which should be mostly 3 to 5 lines of the mail here. Okay. So here your body, this part is called the type text here, that is the body over here. Okay. Now the second thing is this is the concluding part. Okay. So want to provide it then only provide. Now the third part is thanking you, all this the with regards it's a complimentary close. The way this you provide it, it's a very good approach. Of course, it's a compulsory to provide. It's called this section is called as complimentary up close. Okay. Now after this you have to provide your name. Then you have to provide your name of your organization also because you are in a where? Of course, business environment. Organizations, name of your organization needed, guys. Here you have to provide your address. Okay, and the decks for, of course, where you see, I mean, wherever you see, you have your personal, I mean, the office number. You have to provide that so the person can contact you. Address, you can provide line 1, line 2 also. I'm just giving you a format. Phone number, after phone number you can provide your email ID, company website, most needed guys, email ID for direct access, then company, what I've saying here, website, company website is the must. Now, what is this section called as? This section is called the hold as signature part, which you actually is the end of your mail. Thank you regards is about the complimentary. Now you can say thank you as thank you, then you can say as thanking you or thank you. Both language is good. Okay, mostly we use thank you. Yeah, I know. So, or else you can use just as thanks, which we say as friends. Here you can use is that thanks. Okay. So, yeah, this is a complimentary close, and this is your what? This is your, yes, signature. The end of the. Okay. Now you have, if you want any font, something of changes, just go on with this. Anything changes you can provide as a, be specific in your email, have professional formal language, good, one topic at a time. Okay, so this is a most appropriate form in your professional front. Okay guys, I hope you might be helpful now, till now whatever I explained. So that's it. Thank you guys for being connected.